Hello everyone. Welcome to our session of JavaScript, introduction to JavaScript. What is JavaScript? JavaScript is a scripting language that enables you to create dynamically updating content, control multimedia, animate images, and pretty much everything else. So before we get deeper in JavaScript and all, I need you to first download and install Node.js. You can pretty much type Node.js on your web browser. It will direct you to this site. When you arrive to this site, come and click here because I have already installed it. I don't think there's a need for me to do that again. So now what you need to do is to create a new folder. Let's create a folder. Let's create a new folder to demonstrate and write our first JavaScript language. JavaScript basically it's prerequisites for a programmer. I think you need to have a basic computer literacy, to know a computer basic understanding of HTML and CSS. The objective of learning this is to gain familiarity with JavaScript and what you can do and how it fits to the website. What's happening? Okay, here's the folder. Okay, then let's name our folder. Okay, let's name it JS tutorial. Yes, that's it. So to make things faster, you can just drag and drop. Just drag and drop, and then here is it. Create a file. Let's say main.js. Basically, what I want to do here is to create our first hello world message in JavaScript. If everyone has some questions, feel free. If there's something you don't understand, feel free. Console log. Hello world. Now to run this, you need the terminal. Yes. Here's our first program, hello world. Thank you for your time. But then I wanted questions. Where are the questions? Thank you for your time. This is how we basically do our hello world in JavaScript.